Saligaon. We are situated on the Chokam Road in Saligaon, in close vicinity to the sandy beaches of North Goa.
Basically, doctor, this was a hotel which was converted into a health center also.
Very true. This was previously a Arabian Sea resort, and we were looking out for a small place to start up really an authentic treatment center in Goa. We started with one physician and around 5 trained Ayurvedic therapists. Right now, we are very proud in saying that we have a team of around 7 Ayurvedic physicians who are graduate as well as postgraduate in the field of Ayurveda, and they have also been qualified as experts into the different specialty branches of Ayurveda. A team of around 80 plus Ayurvedic paramedical nursing staff, boys as well as girls. They are coming from institutions which are training them into various Panchakarma and Ayurvedic treatments of a duration of 6 months to 1 year, and later on we get them trained according to the requirements of the physicians.
So doctor, if you don't mind me asking, what is the range of treatments that you all offer?
Okay. Basically, if you look into Ayurveda, which is a branch of one of the 8 Vedas, there are around 800 to 900 different types of treatments and therapies. Basically and broadly divided into 2 major categories, Snehan and Svedan. So at this particular center we do all types of treatments. Okay, we have patients from different parts of the world coming for different ailments, and we are very proud in saying that we have treated them all very successfully.
If I'm a layperson, what would be the kind of illnesses which I would come here to get treated in particular? Where is Ayurveda strong?
Basically, Ayurveda is not a science of medicine based on trials and errors and on experiments. It is the science which is based upon the nature. Like we breathe in air, we require energy, we require this particular soil for us to walk upon, we require the heat of the sun to make the catabolic and the anabolic changes into our systems. We need the air basically to breathe and to motivate all the functions into the body. Ayurveda is basically the science of life, and when it comes to Ayurveda, the science of medicine. And when we talk about diseases, what is disease? Disease is a basic pathophysiology built up into our body due to wrong dietary patterns and wrong lifestyle patterns.
So it will keep the patient in a state of well-being rather than letting them fall sick and then trying to cure the ailment.
Ayurveda does advocate preventive medicine, where it makes you learn, makes you your own physician to understand the food type, the different types of lifestyle, how you need to adjust according to your body
Could
type.
we walk around and just see the place? But
when
what
Ayurveda looks at a particular disease, or when Ayurveda looks at a particular individual, for example, there are 4 people coming of the similar signs and symptoms of hepatitis. Okay, but basically in Ayurveda the line of treatment for all these people will not be the same.
and what are the illnesses which you all would claim to be particularly good at in curing, for instance?
We are very good in treatments of all types of disease which fall under the musculoskeletal system. Okay, we can right away start from rheumatoid arthritis to osteoarthritis to increase in uric acid levels, which leads to arthritis, that's called as gouty arthritis. All types of muscular disease like fibromyalgia, myositis ossificans. Okay, general debility of the muscular system, we are very specialized into that. And then we are also very specialized in those particular disease pathologies which are built up mainly because of wrong food habits. Into this category,
Like?
you can take the syndrome of diabetes, hypertension and obesity.
Okay.
So the fast track life has given us the drawbacks that we are not having our correct food, we are not practicing the balanced lifestyle pattern. So these are basically the hit categories where we are very specialized in. What we could also say that into this wrong dietary food habits, we have different types of ailments like various types of allergies, dermatitis, psoriasis, ichthyosis. We are very specialized into that.
So basically,
This is basically the pharmacy where we have Ayurvedic pharmaceutical preparations from all the leading Ayurvedic pharmaceutical companies.
This is the only one of its kind in Goa, or are there any others that offer
This is the
similar?
only center in Goa which has been authorized, recognized, recommended by the health department of the state as well as the tourism department of the state. And this is the only center in Goa which is authorized to do the Panchakarma treatment.